Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. For those of you who are new, this may be your first time seeing me here on this channel and you may not yet be subscribed. Hello, welcome. My name is Tyler with an O, and for those of you who are already returning, already my people, already part of the family, and already subscribed, welcome back. Welcome, and thank you for joining me for another video. So today's video is just gonna be, honestly, just to get ready with me. This isn't necessarily a tutorial, although I did end up, I am gonna walk you through this routine. I just really wanted to get cute. Without any further ado, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So this is weird what I've been doing. I don't know if I mentioned this in a previous video. Okay, so this is the normal foundation I use, and it's a Maybelline, and it's in the shade 330. So this has been the foundation that I've always used. It looks like it matches pretty well, but when I put this foundation on and like take pictures, I feel like this gives me very yellow, and then I'll notice like my body's a little bit darker. So then I got a darker foundation. This one is in the shade 338. It's Maybelline as well. You can kind of see the difference, but like here, lighter, here, more warm and rich. And so I've been using this. It goes on like it's too dark, but with the fact that like I highlight and everything with concealer and whatnot, it ends up matching. So, you know, white people do that. Like they get like a little darker foundation so they can look tan and whatnot. I'm doing it not to necessarily look tan, but to kind of more so match my body, because my body seems to be darker than my face. And then once I conceal and highlight, it evens out, you know? Like, can you see, I don't know if you can see, but my skin is very like much more yellow, and then this is very much more like orange. One problem I do have with this foundation, it like gets in accentuates the forehead lines. Like, you know, when I'm like doing my eyebrows and stuff, I do that, and then you see those lines there. That's so annoying. So what I've been having to do is powder my forehead as soon as I'm finished applying foundation. So yeah, for the concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Age Rewind, and I'm gonna use a little more than normal. Because again, I wanna be like really big. Still do the normal amount, but then I'm gonna, after I blend this out, I wanna go over those parts again with a lighter concealer. Okay, so I have my first layer of concealer on. Before I don't wanna set that with powder, but I also feel weird not doing my brows first. Because I totally forgot my brows. Usually I do my brows right after my foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows, and then I will come back. Even for my brows, I tried something different. Well, not different, but I went back to using my Brow Wiz on top of the stuff that I already do, which if you wanna see how I do my brows, I definitely have an eyebrow tutorial. And then as promised, I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. This is usually the concealer I use to like blank out my eyelids. And I'm just gonna add that under the eye. I don't know, I just wanna be like extra bright today. But like just in this region. All right, so now that I'm just a little bit brighter under the eyes, I'm gonna take my little taper little brush and my setting powder. I guess this is kind of turning into like a quick tutorial. I don't know if you guys have noticed in like my most recent tutorials, but I don't necessarily like bake anymore. I just kind of set my under eye makeup, but I don't put on like a bunch of powder. For two reasons. One, and I'm just gonna keep it real. One is because I stopped using a cheap translucent powder. I was using, I'm not gonna say cheap, but inexpensive. Well, I don't have that powder anymore. I got rid of it because I just fell head over heels in love with this one. And this is the MAC and Patrick's powder. And I forgot how much this retails for, but I think it's like in the $20s to $30 range. And not like $5 like the powder I was using before. So with that being said, I stopped wasting it in baking. Like even this right now is a lot of powder for me, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I hate when people say contour, like it's contour. And even with my contour, I feel like I wanna go just like a little bit heavier than normal. Sometimes my contour don't even be like visible, unless I do like a color contour, which I only do when I'm like serving a look. But just like when I wanna be beat and cute, I always try to keep it so natural. And like, no, I don't want to be natural. I want the cheek to be snatched and cut. I want you to tell that I contoured the hell out of this face. Like, I don't want it to be like, oh wow, you have nice cheekbones. I want it to be like, oh wow, what a nice contour. Like, you know, you gonna see this. You gonna see this work, all right? Ooh, now that is a contour. Look, before, after. Yes, God, that's what I've been wanting, girl. Yes. Originally, when I sat down, I was gonna like, you know, have a little chit chat, and we were gonna talk about, you know, what's been going on and chit chat like we usually do. But I don't know, I just really was in like a makeup mood that I'm not even like in the mood to like talk about anything else. I kind of just want to talk about makeup, but I don't necessarily want to give a tutorial because like, I feel like it's a waste of breath. Not waste of breath, because I'm still talking anyway. But I know like y'all don't come here for the makeup tutorials. Hell, the numbers show. Y'all, so like, and I mean, I've said it countless times, like my skin, well, okay, this is the thing. So I'm dry skinned. I still claim to have dry skin. However, I don't know if it's like been my upkeeping of drinking water, or honestly, I attribute to a change in my moisturizer and also the addition of using a beauty oil almost daily. Like, my skin has changed. I'm not oily at all, but like I used to have very like dry skin and dead skin around my nose, so like contouring my nose especially, or just doing anything, like I couldn't blow my nose. If I did, it's like peeling, flaking, dead skin city, no matter how much moisturizer I use. Like I could not. And like contouring my nose and going back and forth with like a brush used to just not irritate, but like really kick up the dead skin and the dryness in my nose. And now I don't have that problem whatsoever. But I've also have been drinking water, but even like when I fall off of my water game, it's not like my skin goes back to being dry like it used to be. So I'm really thinking it is, yes, the new moisturizer, but also even with that, I've started using a lighter moisturizer, which I said in my favorites video, that's Cetaphil Face and Body, and it's way more lighter than like the heavy moisturizers I thought I needed to use, but I mix it with the beauty oil, so I feel like that beauty oil allows me to use a less heavy moisturizer. Okay, I think I'm just really gonna have to start like intensifying my makeup game. Alima, my friend Alima always tells me that, like, she's like, you always like try to be natural and you always try to be conservative with the makeup. Like, just go there, like you're wearing makeup to wear makeup, so wear the damn makeup, you know? And I never listen, but that's when I like my makeup the best, is when I'm really done up. Ooh, this eyebrow is longer than the other one, but it's okay. But it looks like it has a sheen now to my face. Oh, bitch, yeah. New makeup routine. That honestly needs to be the title. This is my new and improved face routine. But yeah, I'm about to zoom you guys in just a little bit closer, and then we're gonna do something real soft glam on the eyes. You guys, no joke, this face, like the base portion, I think that took maybe like 30 minutes, maybe a little bit less. But like, I can jam through a face. I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe 350M palette. The look I want to do is more on like the soft glam type of side, something that I normally don't do, but something I've been seeing, and I just really want to try it, you know? I just want to take myself there, so that's what I'm gonna do. Since I'm gonna do a soft glam moment, I'm kind of gonna do my eye a little bit out of order than I normally would do, and I want to take one of these colors that is gonna be a little bit closer to my skin tone. I'm just gonna take this one here, and I'm just gonna put that on like a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna pat that like towards the middle of my lid. Normally, and the reason that I say that this is out of order is because normally I would start with the crease and the transition and everything like that and work my way in, but because I really want this to be like soft and like blurred almost, I am going to start with this color, and then I'm just gonna blur this out. Okay, so now that we got that color, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown with this one here, and I'm gonna use that kind of like the outer V to like deepen that. And you guys know I do not do browns, I do not do neutrals, like that's not my gig. But I don't know, I'm just feeling it today. I'm really trying to push myself to like be soft. Like I'm always like, crease needs to be darker, let's throw some black in it, or like, you know, I'm always trying to intensify it. But honestly, like the look I'm going for is very much the opposite. So I just need to like embrace that and stop trying to like overdo. And that's the weird thing, like, okay, I keep bringing up Alima, but like, Alima, she is a very like natural, neutral type of girl, especially like when it comes to the eyes. but like her face be like beat and like caked down, but like in the best way. Like I mean that in a good way. Like she can apply some makeup to her damn face, but then when it comes to the eyes, she's very neutral, very like understated, you know. Whereas me, when it comes to the face, I'm very like no makeup, like natural, whatever. But then when I get a hold of the eyes, that's when I'm just like, all right, time for action. Like, give me the color, give me the shimmers, like, you know. So I think that's really funny. I'm just gonna go just a little bit darker. So I did this color just now. I think I'm gonna go into this one, and I know this is a lot warmer, and so I know it's gonna be more intense, so hopefully we can use that. Instead of going darker, we'll just go warmer. Now I'm just gonna go in with this color here at the bottom on a fluffier brush, and I'm just gonna kind of like blend that along the edges just to like really like blend it out. That's crazy how I started this video saying like, oh, I don't want to do a tutorial, but I'm literally sitting here doing a tutorial. You guys, I think I'm gonna bring one of my friends on my channel and like do their makeup, because I mean I've obviously never done anybody else's makeup on this channel. So I think I want to bring one of my friends on here, one of my friends who doesn't wear makeup, and just like give them a makeover, like a full glam makeover moment. I don't know, what would you guys think about that? Let me know. Okay, so now that the eyes are done, oh, this is gonna look so good with liner. I'm gonna go in with my favorite, you guys have seen this a million times, my Kilowatt highlighter duo from Fenty. And what I'm gonna do is take the matte shade here like I always do and pop that underneath the brow bone. It's like matte in comparison to the other one, but it still has like a little bit of like a sheen. And then I'm gonna go in with the other side, which is Hustler Baby, my favorite. And I'm going to apply it as my highlight. Before I used to be someone who blends my highlighter all the way up to like my hairline, but now I like am really like that C-shaped type of person. I keep my highlighter like right in that C. Then I'll bring it into the eyebrow as well. One thing that will never change, I don't think, is the fact that I love a beaming Cupid's bow. Especially when you put on your lipstick and stuff and your liner, your lip just looks so plump because it's so like, you know. I think I want to put on a liner. I think I'm gonna do a wing, and not just like a wing, like I think I'm gonna do a dramatic wing. And I think that's gonna be the statement of this look. Like, since I have on such like minimal like color and everything, it's gonna have like a really like good wing. So I'm gonna go off camera because I'm not even gonna I'm not even gonna make y'all struggle to watch me do that. And then I'll be back with my wing, probably my lashes on too, and then we'll come back for the lipstick. So I did like a real like skinny, like just like a bitchy wing, like not even like a dramatic like but it's just like a, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and line the lips. Because I'm have like a warm eye type of moment going on, I'm going to use this liner here. Is this Nutmeg? Yep, Nutmeg by NYX, one of my faves. Look at that. That color is just so rich and beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite lipstick, and this is, which one is this? I said my favorite lipstick. Okay, the reason that I didn't know the name is because I actually have two favorites. One's matte and one's not. And my favorite is Nude Embrace, and that's a matte. But then, here, and I'm gonna show you them side by side. So this is Nude Embrace, and then this is Truffle Tease. Literally like the same color, but Nude Embrace is matte, and usually I reach for a matte lip and then I put a gloss on top, but I'm gonna take this one here. Okay, and then just with one more step, I'm gonna go ahead and add this, what is this, the Strictly Vinyl NYX, is this yeah, it's a gloss, and it's called Sugar Mama, just to kind of give it a little bit of warm, because the lip is looking a little like, I don't know, it's looking a little cool tone, and this is like really pigmented, so it kind of defeats the purpose. But you see, it has such a, look at that. Such a nice color payoff. Yeah, I like that better. All right, and I'm gonna give the face one more good little set. And we are good to go. All right, you guys, so this is our finished look. This is very, very subtle for me, but I love everything about this. Like, this is very much like the look that I've been wanting to wear. It's so weird because I feel like I have the confidence to wear like any bold look, any loud look, but when it comes to something that's a little more muted, I don't know, I just get so many second thoughts about it, and then I always end up like taking it too far. Like, I start off like this and I'm just like, the lid needs some shimmer, so I end up adding like a pigment on the lid, or you know, just like stuff like that. You know what, one thing while I'm looking at it, this is another thing I've been wanting to do. I want to add a beauty mark. Should I do a Monroe? No, I feel like that's expected. Maybe I'll just do like a little, you know what, on this little, I have like a little bump that's right here. I'm actually just gonna put a black dot. Perfect. So on that little bump, I just put like a little black dot on it. You see her, you know, nothing too much. I actually do have a natural beauty mark that's right up under this eyebrow, but since I put concealer and everything, it gets covered up every time. Anyways, at this point I'm rambling. So yeah, I'm happy that you guys, you know, watched me get glam and got ready with me. Initially I wasn't gonna go anywhere, but this look, I'm just feeling it so much and I think it's really cute. So I hit up the homie. We are about to go out to sushi. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. Comment down below what you'd like to see here on my channel, what you think about this look. If you have any questions about my makeup routine or any questions in general, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't. And then go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of this Tyler with an O goodness. And I will catch you all on my next video. Peace. I got the eye of the tiger. I actually just realized I don't know the words, but I know the chorus. And you're gonna hear me roar.